Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix Fire TV stick not turning on. Alright, let's begin. If your Fire TV stick is not powering on, there are several fixes you can try. First, unplug everything. Remove the Fire TV stick from the HDMI port and unplug the power cable from both the device and the power source. Wait a few seconds, then plug everything back in firmly to make sure all connections are secure. Next, check how your Fire TV stick is connected to the TV. If you are using an HDMI extender, remove it and plug the Fire TV stick directly into the TV. Sometimes the extender can cause connection issues. While you are behind the TV, try switching to a different HDMI port in case the current one is not working. Another important step is to change the power source. If you are powering the Fire TV stick through the TV's USB port, switch to the wall outlet instead. Use the original power adapter that came with the device and plug it directly into a wall socket, as power issues are a common cause. Finally, make sure your TV is set to the correct input source. Use your TV remote to cycle through the HDMI sources until the Fire TV stick appears. So, that's basically how you can fix Fire TV stick not turning on. That's it for this video. Thanks!